Hello guys, in this video we will explain the way to prevent pornographic videos and images from appearing on Facebook. We will explain the way to prevent sensitive content from appearing on Facebook in an easy way without any programs, just from our Facebook settings. But before broadcasting in the explanation, thank you very much for everyone who supports me, and do not forget, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video as a favor, not an order. Now let us go through the explanation. The first step we do is to go to Facebook, then click on our profile icon, then go down to the bottom. We will find the settings and privacy. Click on them. After that, we will click on the settings, then we will type in settings search engine. We will write sensitive content. We will write sensitive content. After that, it will appear to us like this. Then we click on the sensitive content and choose to limit the spread further. We choose the second option. Now we click on the settings search engine and wrote the sensitive content, and it does not appear for you. It is easy. You write to limit the spread in the search engine. Search for settings, type limit spread. After that, it will show you limit spread. Click on it, then choose sensitive content. After that, choose to limit spread more. You choose the second option. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it. You have benefited. I have any questions for anyone who has any advice for anyone who has any problem, write it in the comments, and see you in the video.